get a mixing bowl. You can use a stand mixer like this or a hand mixer. Throw in 190 grams of unsalted softened butter. Then add 1 cup of sugar. Now we want to beat this for probably about 2 minutes until it's getting light and fluffy. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just mix this through quickly, just on low, just to get it in there. Now we want to add 3 eggs, but add 1 at a time. So just put 1 in, then mix that through just on low till it's just combined, and then add the next one and do that, and add the third one and do the same. Now you want 2 1/3 cups, which is about 350 grams of self-raising flour. You know, you need to sift it. Now sifting it will lighten it and add air to it, so it will help Lamington cake be light. And just put in about 1/3 of it. Now you want 1 cup of milk, add about 1/3 of that. And just repeat that process. Add another 1/3 of the flour, then 1/3 of the milk, then the remaining 1/3 of the flour, and then the milk. Alright, now for your Lamington donuts topping for it, get 220 grams of dark chocolate and 200 mils of thickened cream. Thickened cream is also called whipping cream or heavy cream. Now pop this in the microwave for 45 seconds, then give it a stir, then put it back for 30 seconds on high, give it a stir. Repeat that until it's well combined. Okay, get your mini donut maker. If you don't have one, you can buy mini donut or regular sized donut baking trays. Just pop it in the oven for about 6 to 7 minutes, and that should be done at about 180 degrees, which is about 350. So just put some oil down or grease it. Put the lid down. Follow the instructions. Should only take 2.5 minutes, maybe 3. Yum. Just take these off, put them to the side. Alrighty, now just get a plate, get some desiccated coconut. There's that chocolate thickened cream mixture that we made. We've just let it set for about 10 to 15 minutes so it's thicker. Get your little Lamington donut. Because this will be, a lot thicker than a normal thing, so rather than dipping it in it, spread it on it. Because this is a Lamington mixture, it's going to be very light and fluffy. So if we try and dip it in this, because it's reasonably thick, it may just break apart. So now we can either just do that, dunk that in, and we've got that all over it. Now these Lamington donuts are absolutely fantastic.